I have placed many implants over the course of my career and have found them to be an excellent solution to replacing a missing tooth. And one of the questions is, does it hurt? And the answer is no. We have many techniques to enable us to perform treatment comfortably and safely. The second question I often get is regarding finances. Oftentimes the insurance will pay a portion of the procedure, but if not, we have several options to help you to finance the procedure. The third question we get often is, how long do implants take? And it depends upon the quality of the bone and how the surgical site is healing. We have technology in our office that we can actually test the implants when we place them so that we have a better idea of the outcome. By doing it this way, we're not guessing upon the time frame. We know objectively how long it will take for the implant to be ready to restore. If you are interested in learning more about implants, please schedule a consultation where we will do an examination, take radiographs, and create a customized plan that fits your needs.